time for our phonics poem of the week. Today's poem is all about qu, and the title of the poem is The Quick Queen's Quiet Quest. A quick little queen with a sparkly crown went on a quest through her quiet town. She packed up quilts in a big blue sack with a quacking duck who waddled at the back. They crossed a square and queued in line for quince juice, fizzy and fine. Quite exciting, the Queen declared, as squirrels squeaked and rabbits stared. They found a quill beside a stream and wrote of their quest like a storybook dream. When night grew quiet and stars would glow, the quick little queen said, "Time to go." She tucked up tight in her cosy quilt. What a lovely day her quest had built. How many times can you find qu in today's poem? You can pause the video now to see how many you can find. I found 20 qu in this poem. Did you find them all? If you liked this poem, remember to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Take care. Bye for now.